Hey guys, it's Tony here, and today I thought I would do a Twilight inspired look for you guys. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, just leave a comment down below, and make sure to also comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my music links as well as my social media links. And yeah, let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to be using is some primer, and this is concealer, by the way. I got this from Dollar Tree for those of you who haven't seen it. Alright, gonna put it on. Just like 1 to 2 little spots on the sides, so that way I get the inner corners. 2, 3. Alright, just like 4 on each eye. And now I'm gonna grab a beauty blender and then blend that. I'll be checking back with you guys in a second. Alright guys, I'm back, and the first palette that I'm gonna be using is kind of like a neutral brown, and this is gonna be from one of the LA Colors Chic palette. I didn't even say one of them, but you know what I mean. But anyways, gonna be using some neutrals first. I'm gonna be using this color as a base with an eyeshadow brush. Okay, let me grab my blushes real quick. Okay, which one? Alright, gonna add this part out. Alright, gonna be using this color first. And put that on my lid. Very good. Alright. Put that all over the lid. Okay, good. I'm just going to use my makeup mirror just in case. Alright, it looks good. And now I'm going to be using this kind of like shimmery pink on my inner corners, or maybe blend it in a little bit in my crease. And to be honest with you guys, I do like makeup inspiring videos because they really do inspire me to like do makeup and stuff, because it just really is who I am, and I hope to inspire you guys one day. Alright, just do a little more right here. Alright, now I'm going to go into a different palette and use a brown, a black, I'm still going to have the sleeve, so please don't hate about that. Now I'm going to be using a blending brush from Sephora, and here it is right here. Okay. I'm going to be going into the Smoky Tones palette and going into the blacks, and this black right here. Tap it out a bit and do it right here. Like that. Alright, I know you guys can't really see it, but I'll do a little more. Just blend, blend, blend. Looks good. Do a little more on this side. Alright, good. Okay, and now for the inner corners, I'm going to go into a different palette with a Hello Kitty brush, an angle brush that I got from Temu. And I'm going to be using, you know how Twilight like has red and stuff like that? I'm going to be using a bloody vampire kind of like look with this color on my inner corners. Okay, good. Just make it a little more dramatic. Alright, good. Just make it a little more dramatic and stuff like that. But just to blend out to the other the outer V, I'm going to be going back into the Bold Chic palette, and I'm going to be using another blending brush and using this brown color. Just a little, tap it out a bit, and blend that out. That's better. Okay, that looks good. Okay, just a little bit on the side too. Looks good. Alright, just blend that color in too. Alright, looks good too. Alright, next I'm going to go into mascara. And it's going to be this one. And like, comment down below what your favorite, like, a mascara or eyeshadow that you're using currently. Usually, when I'm not recording, I usually like to do, like, eyeshadow, like, that's high-end, like, those, Jova palettes or something. And maybe, like, a sparkly look on top of it. But I'm going to actually do a night out inspired look for you guys next week. Okay. And also I really want to know what your work go-to, like your go-to work look. I'm planning on doing that too next week, like next week Tuesday or something. I'm just trying to do a few coats of mascara. Just to make sure that my eyeshadows look, my lashes look a little good. And I highly recommend that you guys do this before you do your mascara, because trust me, you don't want to end up with clumpy lashes. Alright, just make your eyeshadows look like your lashes. I'm still gonna have to sleep. Please ignore that, but yeah. Alright, but anyway, I'm gonna be using a Ioni liner. Alright, and this is a 2-in-1 liner. And this is also a lash glue liner in black. Alright, make sure to stretch your eyelid out. This isn't a tutorial or anything, but I would start right here. That way your outer corner shadow stays. And just do a quick wing. Alright, but a little tip for you guys is never ever look up while you're doing your liner. That way it just smears everywhere. Okay, just do a cute little wing. Like that. Okay, now for that eye. Alright, now I'll do the same thing with this eye. Make sure to do a cute little tip right here. Alright, good, but I'll fix that off camera. Alright, this is the finished look, but last but not least, setting. Alright, just fan it off. I'd add a lip, like a lipstick or something. But anyway, I'm going to be using this LA Color one, and this is in Charmed. And I feel like this is like the perfect like lip product for it, for the look. But this is totally optional. It's not a tutorial or anything. And honestly, I was planning on wearing like just only lipstick and mask and going with lip gloss, but I decided just to do lipstick. Alright, looks good. Okay, so this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to give this video a great big thumbs up, and make sure to also to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on my social media, like my TikTok, my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, also my threads, and also my music links. Those will be linked down below. And I'll see you guys later, and well, hopefully later I will to be honest with you guys, I'm expecting a package from a fan, and hopefully it'll come today. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and make sure to always stay positive, keep on rocking, stay true to yourself, ignore the hate, work hard, and also rock and roll. And I love you guys so much, and big heart and hug to you guys, and I love you. Mwah. Bye.